No sia abo adishima mai mamu nyina chin sanso mamu akwa babiom ediba virgin anopa no sia kase bo eso kase bo esaso so ene anopa yosemu faso no susu yakodi efi ene keke bia enimu na ye ba betete dia mamu ene anopa sesere ene abasa ensem no dia edimu akotini bi ene se na ochimu ada anaga na mampanyi na naruda kwakufado okasa ye na wani kasa mu no wode futusem akọ ediama ensonso ya hudro no ewo maganu se adaroma wonmu ehwe na hyehye hudro no ewo coronavirus de no hunu wonmu ehwe no ni nyina da eso omapanyi kasa mu abiemu asanso editudwa ese ewo mu se coronavirus abade na afenso no wabibi schools ahodro na emom no se de esukufo nkwada ne achechefo no esi ebo ho ban edi efri yade no ho intinum sukuu no yade se wontuma esukufo nkwada no bekoso a akosukuu Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association wono so edi ababetu jase sesi ayekase ya eye anesefo ya wono atu wo ho esi honom se wono de won kra eni woni pedwe nyinada ebeboa akon ama yade kodie coronavirus efiri omanmu akokra no ababetu jase emunum de wono afomu ahwe wono kwama emu aha wotwe so de eyade se wono enya yade no ebi Wogana mapanyina na danko kufado kasa mu abiemu asanso akyerem se ewo se yade no abade na afenso ye bompaye se enu ahodro na betimi aba na enu be na so mu yetimi ede akon etia yade no na wakasa kyerem se edura ye hwe nim se ebeba bedru eye match busuminum no wonmo ehwe nim se edru no ebeye edura ya hwehwem na afenso yaji atomu na onumunyafo Haruna Idrisu akasanso akyeremu biemu ese wabra Ghana mampanyi ekasa no kyeremu se coronavirus ho aduro no eyade se June bosome no ene ba bedru oman no emu na no akasa kyeremu se June ya Ghana mampanyi ebodi se enumu no ana eye yade no ho aduro ba bedru no eyade se ekwan ewadodo edema Ghana form Ghana mampanyi na nado dan kwagufado kasa mu bima ana osanso ekyeremu se social distance na se social gathering ya enu se eyiyo ana fesu wedding ahodro no eyade se wode esono asanso atoso ebiema okira ni mpanifo eba behwe na wonu akosa miamie yakwakohe se aso wonu edidi nyinada eso anam yebekwa ukansi mu nsem ne ye bramo enne anopena afensu no yakwakowie kasebo no ewo amahodro ensem emuna bani manu emunu afein anabrewa eyipuma koma wonu ede wabato eba behhehye so eyi wonu empanifo a eno so ama wonu ebie enkratamu ato so bibia ebetimi aba betrotwendin eni nyekeka ho enisa ensema foforo binu ka wemu yosemu faso no sise yakrojin ya eye omanga na munsem eni amahodo so ensema awukanse ka ho ebi ani abobo na ede babesomo ene anope 17 anopa no nsia kasebo mi ameji bre akenka kasebo no di amamone anopa mediam jiso a enima bina adubia na hyene so kasebo no eyadwumako bia doroma na eso yasene amyetimi ede abramo ene anopa ye Success Preparatory School upe school papa do bako na osometimi adodi amekanfo ede amam oze coronavirus aba ana afenso ye pebe papa ye de mabeko na yasomo adwen na wonmo akwankotete yade ni bi amfanyo wonmo ho inti dawani na fa oba no ekokopiemu ewo Success Preparatory School na bia so intimi enye kama won mecha kwan ewo nsamam adreso kwantempo no esom ana so betimi afrem penifo na no wonmo atwetwen komo ewo 0208 278 198 0208 278 198 nafa oba no ko na bia ntimi enye kama ya dan musima ya ba kase ebo no ye bedomu asko Abusia sanso mamo akwa babiem ediba virgin anopa no sian kase bono eso ne hyase edia Nanu kwese de ya anagana mampanyi na nado dankwa akufu ado eni ganafo enya enkitahodia fiti abra coronavirus ya de no eba o manga na mu woni ye ne akasa akeka eye ya de no bebi akwa kodru nya ye kọ wonu ma enye biem abra no ni abra no bi oni yen ekasa na we eye ne mpanya etoso aduonu miensa eso na wabra oni ganafo ekasa ana ochemu esese de ya de no asansamba no homre so wo manga na mu a enu no akwakoye konan na kase pa ede ama omamuni nada no entinum wode futusem akọ ede ma ensonsori ahodo na eni enkramofo se adaroma wonmo enhwe na ehihye ahodo ede egu akwan mu se ni nada ebeboa ama yade kodie coronavirus atimi afiri omanga na mu akono wonmo enhwe no ni nada eso pepepe.
To the revered leaders of our religious organizations, that is our churches and mosques, I entreat you to enforce to the letter the protocols relating to attendance, i.e. the 2-hour duration, 1 meter social distancing, mask wearing, use of sanitizers, and the presence of Veronica buckets, liquid soaps, and rolls of tissue paper.
Yeguswa ewogana mampanyi na adodankwa akufu ado ekasemwam na wabra woni ganafo ekasa biema no chiremu ese ekame ese ye bi school anafin no awofo dodo na ekasa ede afaho se yade kodie coronavirus gusu wo hopa anenti gana mampanyi ebie school sahudo ya ama school fon kwada ekuko school na wabra woni ganafo kasa ana wachiremu ese wo hwese ye Ghana Education Service wonum penifom ana finsu na cheche fa hodo na wonum ewo school sa hodo na emu ebetimi aboa na enhihia hodo edi agu akom na school fon kwada no ebetimi ediso se de beyo na school fon kwada no enkonkototi ya de no bi emfanye wonum ehu.
I know that since the reopening of our schools 2 weeks ago, we've witnessed only few reports of cases among students. I appeal to school authorities and teachers to enforce the guidelines provided by the Ghana Education Service, and I urge the Ghana Health Service to continue their surveillance at the schools so we can contain any reported cases.
Ghana Registered and Nurses Midwives Association one more akasa achemuse efiti abraya de kodie coronavirus ya de no ebabepiemu ewo manga no kamia se wonmu ana esi won stress ye papa se wokọ ayasabia hodo na wonmu anedi mu akotin ye paisanse se obi yade na se wokọ ayasabia se wokọ akọja ya hwa eye adokita fo ni nurses fo ana wohwe wonmu ema wonmu ayarehwe na wonmu edi ababetu jose fiti abraya de no eba o manga na munum aye nurses fo be se numu de wonmo afaya de kodie coronavirus no emu ahre wonmo enkwa ama emu ahawotwen enso anya yade no ebia sesi ekase wo chese wonmo enya yade no ebi
COVID-19 yade ya eno na obepiem ewo manga nemu a yade a ekosoro esoro kwa na ekwo eno enam so ema ayaresabia hodo ewo manga nemu no emu anesefo ene midwife fo no ewu na emu ewu eno enene ababeto edwase anesefo makomaku enum ena womo asanto anananom ewo nsie do esan COVID-19 yade yi enti eno ena anesefo ene ayaresabia hodo ewo manga nemu egina sa kwanya so ekase Ghana fuo no yema yeni enna ho sebe timemuni bia ma nenya ne dadwen esanse COVID-19 yade no eyade wo ho papa eyie efi afia etwemu besi afiwe mu no eyade COVID-19 no si ehwe afiwe mu die na eno die ano odin pan se echiwa ene sebe wenwu a na die beka no na eswa enti yemo moden se hihye ya hodo a empanifo die agu akwan mu se yebe ohoro yensa yebe hye nose mask emponi yebe tete yentem ene hihye bia na anu ya de yemampani ede ababetu edwase ma yenye yie ma yenko party no yebetimi edi san hihye no eso na enu ene betimi aboa na COVID-19 yade no yetu asefri o manga nemu krakra.
Awusayentu akase bono esuna yegusua wo Ghana mampanyin Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ene eye nanu kwesi de ya woni Ghana fo eba be kasa ya emu na wabra o mampanyin ene oman Ghana enya invitahundie mu a ano sanso editu dwabie mu ese ya dikodewu a ababepie oman Ghana mu a yegusua Enkesi ebenya ho eduro na no yetimi ade akonte yade no kame se eho aye kana kakra na mom no okasa anodi etu dwese wonu ehwe ni ma se match busumi da enu no ewo yenim yeyi eduro akoduro betimi akonte yade no ebetimi ababepie mu ewo oman Ghana mu a na mom no eye eduro a chese yahwe na yaso ne so na chese yagie tum krojin ana ohwe ni se babepie oman Ghana emu
of ECOWAS heads of state and government held virtually. It was agreed that the cost of the COVID test for inbound ECOWAS nationals be pegged at $50 United States at the Kotoka International Airport. The cost of the test for non-ECOWAS nationals still remains $150 United States. ECOWAS nationals and travelers who test positive will bear the cost of the mandatory isolation and treatment. Ghanaian nationals, however, who test positive upon their arrival into the country will have their isolation and treatment costs borne by the state. Fellow Ghanaians, in update number 21, I indicated that Ghana is set to procure her first consignment of the COVID-19 vaccines within the first half of this year. Since then, a lot of work has been done towards the realization of this. Our aim is to vaccinate the entire population with an initial target of 20 million people. Through bilateral and multilateral means, we're hopeful that by the end of June, a total of 17,600,000 vaccine doses would have been procured for the Ghanaian people. The earliest vaccine will be in the country by March. The Food and Drugs Authority, FDA, will use its established processes for granting emergency use authorization for each vaccine in Ghana. As President of the Republic, I assure you that only vaccines that have been evaluated and declared as safe for use in Ghana will be administered. Government will continue to monitor our COVID-19 situation and will remain resolved in ensuring that we are able to return to normal daily routines. I remain hopeful that if each one of us embraces fully the safety protocols and we continue to put our faith in the Almighty, we will emerge strongly from this pandemic.
Na Ghana mampanyin Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ene na asema woni Ghana fo eba bekan na no kwese de ya wodi etu jese wonmo ehwe nim se March bosomi ana afen posunu June bosomi no wonmo ehwe nim se yade kodie ho aduro no ebetimi aba bepie mu ebo oman Ghana mu apem ano numunyamfo Haruna Idrisu ono no eye mrashibidani wakasa achemu ese June bosomi da mampanyin ehwe nimu se yade kodie coronavirus ebenya ho adura o chese ba bepie mu ewo oman Ghana mu no eno ana numunyamfo Haruna Idrisu akasa achemu se ekwan wa dodo
Kwasi adaya ena Ghana yama mpani woni yen ebedi nkomo eye branu nkomo woni yedi efa yade COVID-19 no eho no eno ena kwasi adaya woni yebedi ye na woni kasa mu no ena wodi tu dwase yade COVID-19 yade no esoro kwa na eko enti nhihye ye bi ewo ho a wodi banda to so ebi etise ayiyeyo wodi nkofo makomako edununum ena obetimi adie yeye sanso ena wedding ene parties ahodo no wode banda to so say until so obeka say monye no eno na mbetimi ayem eno na woni kasem wodi to dwa say eyade wo mo ehwe anim say March busumi emu no eye COVID-19 eduro no ebetimi aba oman Ghana emu na ama Ghana so ye ho etimi atoyen eno na nei Haruna Idrisu onimonyamfo wono na ye edom kuma wo ewo mehye bedwafie wo mo wodi wo mo anim ne wodi ababetu edwa say eyade mampani na nadodankwa akufado eye June anase March busumi na wo ka say COVID-19 eduro no ebetimi aba oman Ghana mu no die eyade a ewa entinka ebeya se die yade no esoro kwa na ekono woni ni mpanifo emmomodin se won bebo mo ho modin pa eyie se eduro no animanimu ya ebetimi aba oman Ghana mu na etimi aboa na yasan COVID-19 yade no won mo anya bi ene afoforo nso am ye nyanya bi no yebetimi die asi ano ekwan
na wo mampanyi kasa mu abiema wabra woni Ghana fo kasa ne mpan etoso aduonu miensa eso no anode etu josese ye kasa de yade no kamye se amma ne homeso de denden pa wo man Ghana mu am na chese no betimi aye nyinada eni se eyeyo anafensuno parties ahodo eni nye keka ho anu no betimi ayo ama nipa hodo na kwakubo nchinku wo hono mu age wo mu eni de eyade se wode esono atoso na okaka ho biemu ese enye se aso hono ma se wode sono atoso na emu sono a wode atoso nyinada no one ni mpanimfo nso akaunti abom ocha wono mu eni eye mpanimfo akodo akaunti abom a chese wo bekokokoko rounds ahwese wo bia be chew na se esono yede atomia ya hodo eso ye be chew se wo bu samra no so no eyade se emra no enu bedi no pepepe.
As we step up public education and enforcement of the protocols of public gatherings, let me also state that regulatory agencies will undertake random checks to ensure conformity with these rules, and the security services will be tasked to enforce them. You do not have to be arrested by the police before you wear your mask. Your workplace should not be closed for non-conformity with the protocols. If there's no urgent reason for you to be outside, please stay at home. Each one of us can help to contain the spread if we continue to practice the measures of social distancing, washing our hands with soap under running water, refraining from shaking hands, and wearing our masks whenever we leave our homes. These measures must be respected by all. I urge you, my fellow Ghanaians, to continue to pay attention to your health, improve your fitness levels, and eat our local foods that boost your immunity. Should you at any time feel unwell or exhibit the most common symptoms of COVID-19, such as fever, dry cough, tiredness, please report to the nearest health facility and get tested. COVID-19 tests are free for all Ghanaians at public health institutions. If a Ghanaian citizen returns a positive result, the cost of care at isolation and treatment centers will be borne by government.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. Get the ratio more. Say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. Get the ratio more.
I was saying, you talk as your bono, as soon as you come a walk and see more and some emon. Na wo abra Ghana mampanyina na do dan kwagufado ene o my Ghana e kasemu na tese enso ho a as say or de Ghana a year football association den so one more Emma one now abra Ghana mampani kasa edinani atre a year football munum or kasa ye mu say NSA and offense no GFA one more enshana and shia who draw so a dear work say ye co studio and I say Abia stadium akwa ball a who draw now so shia who draw dear work one more enshana na obibia enini nada so pepepe.
The National Sports Authority and the Ghana Football Association should ensure compliance with the 25% capacity rule in our stadia, with spectators respecting the social distancing rule and wearing of masks.
Ebusaye twaka sebono esuna eguswa egwa gukansiemu ensem emu na GPL no meche Ghana Premier League no eguswa ekoswa nano fiade ya ana wono edi hihwe so a meche match day 11 results no ana me boso edi amamum na match no se ne ekoye ni bechem ene 11 wonders edisie ni a ekowiase no na chese bechem etimi ahyemiensa ama 11 wonders atimu baakum ana afenso no Ken Faisal ehye eye enan a brekum Chelsea etimu miensa Hasso folk so any Great Olympics share ekowiase na chese Great Olympics etimi ahye Hasso for a kamienu a wono entimi antimu adabraka na afenso no kwasia de ya so match ni bi so ekoso a Ashanti Gold ene kotoko ehia ya obia entimi alpha ball anto ne nyonko atenemu eduana enso ene abusua drafts so ehye so ama afanu nyinada ehye won hu tutu ekamienu Inter Allies enso ene Legon Cities so win tam so ekowiase no na chese Legon Cities for etimi asheba kwam Inter Allies for so entimi antimu adabraka Karela United ene Mediama enso share so a Karela etimi ehye mienu a Mediama entimi anti ekano ebi Elmina Sharks ene Dreams FC so share so mekowiase no wono mo ehye won hu mienu a Wafa any Liberty enso share so a ekowiase na chese Wafa achre eye Liberty Professionals ashomo poly numa Liberty Professionals for antimu adabraka na chese GPL no results day 11 ane de asomo ene anopen ewusa yidna wesunya home kasebo no esu ye ba ye de kasebo no ebe kwa akobie egwa mahodo ensem emu ye basisia
we've been there Ghana Premier League is back again since the days of Shamokwe we've been there Division 1 League is back again since the days of Abeta Saki we've been there Women's Premier League is back again since the days of Asamoah John we've been there Ghana Premier League is back again since the days of Ishmael Ado we've been there Division 1 League.
Adishimama yakoya yaba yetwa kasiyebono eso ediane edan yakopiemu ewa mahodo ensem emu na beni manu emu ababetu dwase afen ana wonmo abato no wonmo ede ba be hwehwe so eye ekobusumi a ewo yenum ya na nunam so amempanifo ebiebi nkrakta mu se ubibia ya opese obabegina ama wonmo eto so abanu eya je se wonmo ebie kwan atokonom ede ama obibia
Epu busumi no emu meche afi musome mako a etoso enan no na Benin oman no wo mo beto wo aba no mo de yi mampani e wo mo man no emu eno na bato commission wo ho wo de aba bonten se eyade aso wani je honko an se wo begina se yento wo so aba na wo meye mampani e wo Benin man no emu emfie ye ebeyi mudia na ne akonya no abeda ho se bra na befa wo form na tworo fa bra wo mo no mo hunu se enkofo dodo sei na ye gida se yento wo mo so aba wo kasa no na wo de to aso se eyade afi abato wo mo eba beto no wo mpese bibia eda ho fine na emu enye kronjen na obia ehunu enti na wo mo ahyase a wo mo eje nomination forms enti no se wo pe na se wo pese yento wo so aba dia ene befa wo form efi adwuade na wo bibia ehunu se wo na wo begina se yento wo so aba wo mo abato commission pani a ne din ade Emmanuel Tiando ono ene de sasem we etudwa
ebusiano we so na yejira na kase bobo no ele baba somo ene anopesa virgin anopa bremu akan kase bono aha ane yedini nyina esina edumako abo ye chidom ene anopa mietimi kenkan virgin anopa no sia kase bono ede ma ho eye success preparatory school ope school papa do ba kono osometimi adode amekanfo ede ma ho one which are quite a one some address or content pono assume and also with my friend for it was 0208 278 198. Now no one more action one at the Biansu at me I come. Cassia Bono, a see a mamma, no, addition.